Let's go.
Hello, today we will learn about psychology and what's the major branches of psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of behavior, mental processes, emotions, and the ways individuals interact with their environment. It seeks to understand how people think, feel, learn, remember, and behave in different situations. Over time, psychology has developed into several specialized branches, each focusing on a particular aspect of human and animal behavior. Branch of psychology. Number 1. Clinical psychology. Clinical psychology is one of the most well-known branches of psychology. It deals with the assessments, diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of mental, emotional, and behavioral disorders. Clinical psychologists work with individuals suffering from conditions such as depression, anxiety disorders, bipolar disorders, schizophrenia, personality disorders, trauma, and stress related disorders. They use various therapeutic methods such as CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, psychoanalysis, humanistic therapy, behavioral therapy. The main aim of clinical psychology is to improve mental health and help individuals lead functional, satisfying lives. Number 2. Counseling psychology. Counseling psychology focuses on helping people deal with everyday life problems and emotional challenges. Unlike clinical psychology, which often addresses severe mental disorders, counseling psychology mainly deal with issues such as relationship problems, career confusion, academic stress, family conflict, grief and loss. Personal development. Counseling psychologists help individuals improve coping skills, decision making, and emotional well being. Number 3. Educational psychology. Educational psychology studies how people learn and how teaching methods can be improved. This branch focuses on learning styles, memory and retention, motivation in education, intelligence and assessment, classroom behavior, teaching techniques. Educational psychologists often work in schools, colleges, universities to help students overcome learning difficulties and to improve educational system. Number 4. Developmental psychology. Developmental psychology studies human growth and change throughout the lifespan. It examines physical, cognitive, emotional, and social development from infancy to old age. Key stages include in infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, old age. This branch helps us understand how thinking, personality, and behavior change over time. Number 5. Social psychology. Social psychology studies how individuals think, feel, and behave in social situations. It explores how people are influenced by others, including group behavior, peer pressure, social perception, attitude and beliefs, prejudice and discrimination, leadership. This branch helps explain why people behave differently in groups compared to when they are alone. Number 6. Cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychology focuses on mental processes involved in acquiring knowledge and understanding. It studies perception, memory, attention, problem solving, language, decision making, thinking, and reasoning. This branch is important in understanding how the brain processes information. Number 7. Biological psychology. Biological psychology, also called biopsychology or physiological psychology, studies the connection between the brain, nervous system, and behavior. It focuses on brain structures, hormones, neurotransmitters, genetics, sensation, and perception. This branch explains how biological processes influence emotional thoughts and actions. Number 8. Industrial organizational psychology. This branch applies psychology in workplace settings. It focuses on employee motivation, job satisfaction, leadership, team performance, recruitment and selection, workplace stress. The goal is to improve productivity and employee well being. Number 9. Health psychology. Health psychology studies how psychological, biological, and social factors affect health and illness. It deals with stress management, healthy lifestyle habits, chronic illness coping, pain management, patient behavior. This branch promotes both physical and mental health. Number 10. Forensic psychology. Forensic psychology applies psychological principles to the legal and criminal justice system. Forensic psychologist works in courts, prisons, law enforcement agencies. They help with criminal profiling, competence evaluations, witness testimony analysis, rehabilitation programs. Number 11. Abnormal psychology. Abnormal psychology studies unusual patterns of behaviors, thoughts, and emotions that may indicate mental disorders. It focuses on understanding causes of disorders, symptoms, risk factors, treatment. This branch is closely related to clinical psychology. Number 12. Experimental psychology. Experimental psychology uses scientific methods to study behavior and mental processes. Researchers conduct experiments on topics such as memory, learning, sensation, motivation, and emotion. This branch forms the scientific foundation of psychology. So, psychology is a broad and diverse field with many branches, each contribution to our understanding of human behavior and mental processes. From mental health treatment to education, workplace, improvement, and legal system, psychology plays a major and modern role in life. Understanding these branches helps students to appreciate how psychology applies to everyday experiences and professional fields. Psychology is not just a subject, it's a way to understand ourselves and the world around us. By learning its branch, we take a step closer to understanding human behaviors and improving our lives. So, these were the major branches of psychology. Each branch helps us understand different aspects of human life, from mind to behavior, from emotions to decisions. Understanding psychology means understanding people, and understanding peoples mean understanding life. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop exploring the human mind. That's all for today's video on the branches of psychology. I hope this made your concepts clear. Subscribe for more educational content, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning content. Thanks. Bye.